What's up, you guys? Welcome back. My name is Jency V. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys this crazy fun look. I haven't posted anything for a while just because I have been sick for the last few weeks. It was not fun at all. I was trying to work as much as possible, but I just couldn't. And also, I did 3 videos and I ended up not having audio on it, so that really sucked a lot. Any of you guys that messaged me about my products, the launch date might have to be held back a little bit just because of the complications on shipping and materials. I'm actually gonna fast forward this whole video of my makeup, so just enjoy the music and let's go. Alright, so I just got done finally. These nails was really hard for me to do anything. So this is the look. This was a little weird. It was pretty colorful. You can use this anywhere, anytime. Depends on how colorful you want to be on that day. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel right here. Just click it right here, and to click that notification bell down below to get notified for my next upcoming videos. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.